Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2010 Jeep Wrangler two-door Islander. This is finished in the Surf Blue Pearl. And as you can see, it does have a few upgrades. We'll go around and show you those. Believe it or not, this vehicle has just over 12,000 miles on the odometer. So you'll notice up front here we do have the JW speaker front headlights that were replaced and upgraded, Rubicon front bumper, and we're up here at the driver front wheel. We've got 17-inch off-road wheels and 35-inch Nitto Trail Grappler tires. These tires are brand new. It's got a 2.5-inch lift. It does have the JW speaker upgraded fog lights as well as the tail lights. And as you can get a look in there at the frame, it's really quite immaculate. There's no rust that I can see visible, except there, of course, on maybe the rear diff. Really good shape overall. There's your JW speaker LED tail lights and your matching fifth wheel tire combo. Last but not least, up here to the passenger front, and as you've noticed, none of these wheels have any damage or curb rash or anything like that. I can't say this vehicle's ever been off-roaded with the amount of miles that are on it. We know the previous owner, he took really good care of it. It's actually his wife's car. And onto the interior. Dark slate gray and medium slate gray, as well as the blue Islander inserts. Nice Jeep all-weather floor mats, lockable glove compartment. You have an upgraded Alpine stereo system. This does have Bluetooth and backup camera. It was optioned with the 4-speed automatic transmission. And current odometer is 12,450 miles. I know it won't show me with the door open here. Soft top is in great shape. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.